beat. It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way.
Tired of chaotic mornings before school? I've got a quick and easy morning routine to make your mornings stress-free and productive. In this video, I'll walk you through my simple morning routine that'll help you feel energized and ready to take on the day in under 30 minutes. So let's jump right into it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you want more quick school tips. Here's a simple morning routine to help you feel prepared and energized for school. 1. Wake up early, 6 a.m. Put your alarm across the room. So, you have to get out of bed to turn it off. This will help you wake up more fully. Tip: set your alarm for 6 a.m. to give yourself enough time to wake up, stretch, and start the day without rushing. 2. Drink water, 6:05 a.m. Hydrate first thing after waking up to kickstart your metabolism and boost energy. 3. Quick hygiene routine, 6:10 a.m. Wash face. Refresh yourself with a quick splash of cold water. Brush teeth. Brushing is key for feeling fresh. 4. Get dressed, 6:20 a.m. Lay out your clothes the night before to save time. 5. Quick breakfast, 6:30 a.m. Have something easy like a smoothie, cereal, or toast with fruit. If you're in a rush, grab something like granola bars or a yogurt. 6. Pack your bag, 6:40 a.m. Double check that you have everything you need: books, homework, lunch. Keep your bag ready the night before if possible. 7. Final check, 6:50 a.m. Do a quick look in the mirror to make sure everything's set. Get your shoes on and be ready to head out by 7 a.m. 8. Leave by 7:15 a.m. Give yourself a buffer time to avoid rushing and make sure you're out the door on time. Sample time breakdown. 6 a.m. Wake up, 6:05 a.m. Drink water, 6:10 a.m. Quick hygiene routine, 6:20 a.m. Get dressed, 6:30 a.m. Quick breakfast, 6:40 a.m. Pack your bag, 6:50 a.m. Final check, 7:15 a.m. Leave for school. And that's it for today's video. Hope you found this morning routine helpful and easy to follow. Remember, starting your day with a simple routine can make a huge difference in how you feel and how your day goes.